to Big Mouth Academy,
where learning is big fun.
Class is now in session.
Which is bigger? Is this one the biggest? Is this one the biggest? Or is this one the biggest? Which is bigger?
Biggest!
Great job! This one sure is the biggest. Now for some big fun! Shake, shake, shake! Let's dance! Medium, I guess, right? Pop! I love the color yellow! Now for the smallest yellow egg. Polka dot, pop! Y-E-L-L-O-W! Pluto loves yellow! Great job!
School's out.
A+, good time! Learning is big fun! So click here for some more colorful learning adventures. Or click here for the fun lessons we love best. Click here and subscribe to join Big Mouth Academy.